Well, this really is a must-have holiday purchase because it's gorgeous floral and polka dot design. Now you can wear it like this as a dress with a posh sandal or maybe a pair of heels, or what about a cover up on the beach? All you need to do is detach those straps, or you can even wear it as a skirt. Don't worry, I won't do it on you right now because that would just be wrong. But that works brilliantly as well. It also comes in 4 different colorways and it's £20. Price per wear, you're talking pennies. Well, I'm going to start with a warning here. This jumpsuit is selling out really, really quick, and with good reason as well. It's got detachable straps, but I love the cut of it more than anything. Amazing wide leg crop trouser. I love this piece of fabric as well, just around the tummy area. That's just going to add that extra air of confidence. It's also polka dot and monochrome, 2 trends that are never going to go out of fashion. And here's a bit of insider gossip for you. When I went and showcased this at a swanky press breakfast, every magazine editor went and ordered one of this. You too can be part of the fashion pack for only £25. Well, what a cracking summer dress this is. I love that kind of bright colour and the beautiful bold blooms on there. Instantly makes you think of sunshine. Also love how versatile it is as well, because this would look amazing with a pair of wedges on a night out, or brilliant as well with a flat sandal or flip-flop for a wander down by the beach. Big fan of the cold shoulder as well. This is really good if you are conscious of that underarm area there. So, you know, it just adds again that extra air of confidence. I think you look beautiful in that. I think it's ready for a pre-dinner drink. Yeah, should we do it? Come on.